Hello, artists and art bros! Today, I'm going to teach you how to do calligraphy using brush markers. But first, you have to prepare a brush pen and a paper. Before creating, you have to handle the brush pen with ease and in a slanted angle to prevent the brush from fraying. Tip number 1. Downstrokes are thick and upstrokes are thin. Add more pressure on the brush pen when it is going down. Next, you have to practice cursive strokes before trying calligraphy because these exercises create a flow in your hand, which lessens your hesitation when doing the strokes. Tip number 2. Be confident. Don't focus on shaky strokes, but make sure that your grip is firm but relaxed. Know when to pause before jumping to the next stroke. Next step is sketch lightly before diving in. Remember that calligraphy has flow, so you don't have to blindly follow your sketch and just think of it as a guide. You can even erase it afterwards. Tip number 3. Make sure to let the ink dry. Lastly, just do it and have fun. There is no one way to create a letter, so try to explore different styles or other art materials. These are the different styles that you can use when you are exploring calligraphy. This also serves as the summary written in calligraphy. Thank you for watching. Bye!